Yeah, hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about materials for SLA 3D printing. We also called it resin or liquid resin. So the first is standard resin. There are many types of resins we use in SLA 3D printing. Depend on the properties and your requirements, you can select the which are your favorable. So the first is standard resin. As it is clear from name, standard resin is the most popular liquid resin used for 3D printing. These types of resin makes high resolution 3D prints. It has a smooth surface quality along with very affordable. This is not costly, it is very affordable in most of the 3D printers where we are using the products for making prototypes. We are using standard resin. Now can break with little effort as it has not much strength, so it can be break with little effort, and this is not suitable for functional parts because it has a less strength as compared to other resins. Now comes in the largest range of colors. Standard resin you can find with colors whichever you want. There are lots of colors are there. Now next is clear resin. Clear resin, it is clear from the name again that it is a transparent. It depends. You can, if you want to create a transparent 3D prints, so you can use clear resins. You can find clear resins with various colors, and these are transparent print. Again, clear resins are water resistant. The clarity may degrade with the time as the model is exposed to UV rays. So it should not be come in the contact with UV rays, otherwise the quality will degrade. Now the next is tough resin. Tough resin is the perfect choice when it comes down to producing strong functional resins. It depends. So if you need strong parts, you can use the tough resin. It can handle stress and strain easily. It is also called ABS like since it resembles the mechanical properties of ABS. So whatever the mechanical properties ABS have, tough resins also have this kind of properties. High impact and shatter resistance, not recommended for models with thin walls. So this is a drawback that if you need to make a thin wall product, you cannot use this tough resin. Print removal can be little difficult compared to standard resin. Now the next is flexible resin. Again, it is clear from the name that this resin has a flexible and you can produce flexible component by using the flexible resin. So it is unique material and rubber-like properties. It allows user to create firm parts with a high degree of flexibility. It has a great impact resistance along with ideal for making flexible parts. Mostly require a good use of support structures. Like tough resin, it's also not recommended for models with thin walls. Now the next is water washable resin. Again, it is clear from the name that this resin's support can remove by contacting with water. So this material stands out for simple and easy post processing with water instead of using IPA, isopropyl alcohol, or anything similar. So in other products, what we do after the completion of our product, we need to do post processing, and that post processing we use isopropyl alcohol or different alkyl alcohols to remove our support structure. But in this type of resin, you can remove your support structure by contacting with water. So effortless post processing with water instead of alcohol or other solutions. Appreciable strength, fast curing speeds, can be dyed or painted easily. Absorption of waters in parts can generally make them crack, so this should not frequently come with the contact of water, otherwise it may crack. Or this is again affordable. We talk about price, so this is affordable as well. Now next is dental resins. As it is, so it will use in medical industry. A dental resin is a special kind of material that is specifically used for making dental appliances. It generally comprises high precision and excessively smooth surface quality, high compressive strength, aesthetic appearance perfect for dental use, resistant to abrasion, ideal for surgical and dental appliances. And again, this is expensive because it is using in the medical industries, and the resin need to be perfect. Now the next is and last is ceramic filled resins. Again, we know about the ceramic. Ceramic are the materials which sustain high heat and high strength. So this material is usually reinforced with ceramic materials, resulting in extremely stiff and smooth parts. Very tough and stiff. It has excellent for making fine featured parts, highly resistant to heat, below average impact strength, and brittle. So these are the resins we use in SLA 3D printing. I hope you got the fair idea about what are the different type of resins you can use in SLA 3D printing. If you want to learn full 3D printing from design to 3D scanning to production to post processing, you can join the full course by clicking the link given in description box. Thank you so much.